Hello friends and potential friends, and in particular this video is for Joey over at My Slice of Heaven Outdoors. We were gabbing a little bit on his live stream this morning. He was talking about he never grown ginger or turmeric. Said he wanted to give ginger a try. So basically this is how I do it. What you see before you is my ginger and turmeric beds. They get about 4 hours of good sunlight a day. One thing I've noticed is that ginger and turmeric both take a long time to germinate. They need the soil to be nice and warm before they'll pop their heads up. But I've already got both planted in this bed, but I picked up some more at the store the other day. So I'm going to plant some more of it. Here's what we're working with. What we have here, let's see, get out of here, bee. Getting a little bit of mold. There's some ginger, and as you can see there at the end, that sucker's been trying to start growing in the kitchen. Same thing with this guy over here. You see all them little yellow white knobs. The white you see there is a little bit of mold. That's why I got to do something with these. And then we have some turmeric over here, looks like so. That will grow little bulbs like this, and then they will eventually start sending up sprouts. And here's how we do it. First we'll take all the turmeric, since I'm on that side of the garden. And basically with the turmeric I don't break it up because they're pretty small pieces to start with. All I do, dig a little bit of hole, put it about 1 to 2 inches under the ground, cover it up. And we'll put a couple more out here. Now the ginger I'll do a little bit different. I'll break off pieces of it. In fact, that one I think I'm going to take in the house and make some tea. So I got a couple of pieces here. And this one I've got a couple of pieces of that. And we'll break that up too. So there's my ginger I'm going to plant. Now, keep an eye on me. I'm going to run around the other side. And the ginger gets the same treatment as the turmeric. Just dig a little hole, stick a piece in there, and bury it over. And that's it. I hope that showed up okay. It's real tough. Dig a hole a couple inches deep, put a piece of the root in it, bury it. Then the hardest part comes is the waiting. Today it's supposed to be up near 80 degrees here in Central Florida. So the ground is starting to warm up. But I'd be willing to bet this stuff still won't pop up for another month or so. And we'll check back with it whenever that happens. Let you see. But that's how hard it is to grow ginger and turmeric. It occurred to me after I put the ginger and turmeric video together that I left out a few things. So let me start with, yes, it is possible to grow ginger or turmeric in a container. These plants you see here are some that I dug up last fall and kept inside in the laboratory. They're only in 6-inch pots. If I was going to keep them in these pots, I would probably go up to at least a 12-inch pot. because what you're trying to get is the roots. As you can see, this guy's still growing. They're really interesting. This one's kind of a good example. When they grow, they actually almost unzip each leaf away from the stem. These ones, I guess because I had them under the lights, did not unzip as well as they should have. But you can see, like right up here, it'll just pull that out. There's another one that'll just pull out. But they just kind of one leaf after another, they unzip each other. And incidentally, this is something I haven't told anybody before. I've kind of mentioned it here and there, but never gave any detail. What we see over here, and get rid of some of these weeds. This basically is my horseradish. It's just got a couple of leaves left over that's been out here in this pot for actually for a couple of years. And you can find horseradish root in the grocery store. Bring it home, plant it, grows just like ginger or turmeric. I treat it exactly the same. The one thing that I'm a little bit leery of, which is why this guy is still in a container and not in the ground, is that from everything I've heard, horseradish will go invasive if you let it. So you have to keep it contained. I'm keeping it in this pot for right now. Some point I might plant it way out away from the rest of my garden. But yeah, if you want to make yourself some shrimp sauce, go buy a horseradish root at the store and plant it. Works just like the ginger. See you next time.